Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it. The URL search params object isn't iterable. You can loop through it using a for-of loop. So here I have a new URL search params object that I've assigned to the params variable. And I am going to use a for-of loop to loop through each parameter. The parameter in the loop is an array of key value pairs. So here I have product ID equals 12374 and quantity equals 42. And if I were to use a for-of loop on this, logging each parameter into the console, what I get back is an array where the first item is the key and the second item is the value. Similarly, you can optionally use array destructuring to break that key and value into their own variables in the for-of loop. So here I'm saying let key comma value of params, and then for each loop I'm going to log the key and value separately, and now I get those as individual variables: product ID and 12374, quantity, and 42. If you prefer, each URL search params instance also has a for each method on it. This method accepts a callback function, and that callback accepts variables for the value, key, and URL search params object, which are passed in automatically as arguments. So here I'm assigning that value to the value variable and that key to the key parameter, and then I'm going to log them both into the console. And we again get product ID 12374 and quantity 42. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.